Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to find your block list on Facebook. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to simply open up your Facebook app. So I'm going to click on here to open my Facebook app. Like so. Having opened up your Facebook app, next thing you want to do is to simply click on this profile icon right here. Click on that. Just like so. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this setting icon right here. It take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down all the way down. So where you have blocking right here, click on that. Then it take you to all your block lists. From here, you can unblock any one of them if you would like to unblock them. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to find your block list on Facebook and how you can unblock them without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. Find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you